For today's video, I would like to explain my ER diagram of hospital management system. If you notice, you will see the different shape like rectangle. It represents entities. The diamond is a relationship, so the oblong is represent attributes. The first entity ay ang department na naglalaman ng attributes ng department name, department location, and facility. Ang department ay naka-relationship sa workstation. Ang pangalawang entity naman ay ang doctor na naglalaman ng attributes ng qualification, department, doctor ID, and contact number. Ang doctor ay naka-relationship sa operate on na naglalaman ng attributes ng types of operation, medicine, and patient condition. Ang pangatlong entity naman ay ang patient na naglalaman ng patient ID, age, address, patient name, gender, and contact number. At ito naman ay naka-relationship din sa operate on. So, ang pang-apat na entity naman ay ang regular na naglalaman ng attributes ng date visit, payment, medicine. Ang panglimang entity naman ay on-call na naglalaman ng fees per call, payment due. Ang pang-anim na entities naman ay regular na naglalaman ng attributes ng salary. So, ang pang-pito ay ang patient discharge na naglalaman ng attributes ng patient name, treatment, advice, treatment given, medicine, payment given, discharge date. Ang patient discharge ay naka-relationship sa discharge. Ang pangwalo naman na entities ay patient admit na naglalaman ng attributes ng advance pay, room number, admit number, condition, mode payment, and patient name.